Welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about Dio 1 tablet. Dio 1 tablet is a branded formulation of cetirizine hydrochloride 10 mg, belonging to the class of second-generation antihistamines. It was designed to provide long-lasting relief from allergy symptoms while producing very little drowsiness. The drug selectively blocks peripheral histamine receptors, reducing the intensity of allergic manifestations such as sneezing, itching, and watery eyes. Composition: each Dio 1 tablet contains 10 mg of cetirizine hydrochloride along with standard excipients like lactose, starch, and magnesium stearate that ensure tablet stability and proper dissolution. Classification: cetirizine is classified therapeutically as an antihistamine and pharmacologically as a second-generation H1 receptor antagonist derived from the piperazine chemical group. Mechanism of action: when histamine is released during an allergic reaction, it attaches to H1 receptors on tissues causing swelling, redness, and itching. Cetirizine competes for these receptor sites and blocks histamine's effect, thereby preventing allergic symptoms from developing. Spectrum of activity: the activity spectrum of cetirizine is limited to histamine-mediated allergic reactions. It does not possess antimicrobial properties but effectively controls symptoms caused by exposure to allergens such as dust, pollen, and pet dander. Pharmacokinetics: after oral administration, cetirizine is quickly absorbed and reaches peak plasma concentration in about an hour. It is highly protein-bound, undergoes little hepatic metabolism, and is eliminated mostly unchanged through the kidneys. Pharmacodynamics: pharmacodynamically, cetirizine acts within an hour and provides around 24 hours of relief. Because it does not readily cross the blood-brain barrier, it causes minimal sedation and shows a favorable cardiac safety profile. Indications: Dio 1 is prescribed for both seasonal and perennial allergic rhinitis, chronic urticaria, and other minor allergic conditions where histamine plays a primary role in symptom production. Clinical significance: clinically, cetirizine's long duration of action and minimal side effects make it one of the safest choices for chronic allergic conditions. For pharmacists, understanding its profile supports effective patient counseling and monitoring. Dosage and administration: the usual adult dose of Dio 1 is 10 mg once daily, while children may receive half that dose. In renal or hepatic impairment, the dosing frequency should be reduced. Adverse effects: although well tolerated, some individuals may experience mild drowsiness, dry mouth, or fatigue. Serious reactions are rare but should be promptly reported. Contraindications: cetirizine must not be used in patients allergic to it or with severe kidney dysfunction. The tablet form is unsuitable for children younger than 6 years. Drug interactions: alcohol and other central nervous system depressants can intensify sedation. High-dose theophylline slightly reduces the elimination of cetirizine, so monitoring is recommended. Overdose and management: in case of overdose, symptoms include extreme drowsiness or agitation. Treatment is mainly supportive with gastric decontamination and close monitoring, as dialysis offers little benefit. Patient counseling: pharmacists should advise patients to take the tablet once daily, avoid alcohol, and report any allergic or unusual symptoms immediately. Compliance ensures consistent allergy control. Precautions: patients should be careful when driving if they feel drowsy. Those with renal or liver impairment and elderly individuals require careful dosing and monitoring. Storage and stability: store Dio 1 tablets at room temperature, ideally below 25 degrees Celsius, away from direct light and moisture. Always check the expiry date before dispensing. Brand name and manufacturer: Dio 1 is one of several cetirizine brands available in India, manufactured by Unison Pharmaceuticals. Internationally, the same molecule is sold under names like Zyatec and Reactin. Summary: to summarize, Dio 1 tablet provides long-lasting relief from allergic conditions with minimal sedation. Its safety and convenience make it a mainstay in modern allergy therapy. Thank you for watching this detailed presentation on Dio 1 tablet containing cetirizine hydrochloride 10 mg. I hope this session has helped you understand its pharmacology, mechanism of action, clinical uses, and significance in pharmacy practice. As Pharm.D professionals, our responsibility extends beyond dispensing. We ensure patient safety through counseling and rational drug use. Thank you once again for your time and attention, and I wish you continued success in your studies and professional journey.